proud of it, rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall do my parents, teachers, and all others respect and endeavor with courtesy to my country and my people. I express my devotion. India will be as prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. To all, my name is Hemant. I am from grade 1 choral. Today's my word is want. It is a
Look at audience, ma. Look at audience and say the word confidently.
word. Want. Please spell after me. W-A-N-T. Want. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning to all. Today thought is what you by Tanisha, grade 1 choral.
Look at audience and say your name.
If you want to achieve success, stop asking for permission. I repeat my thought. If you want to achieve success, stop asking for permission. Thank you. Have a good day.
Brought to you by Karen Kumara, grade 1 choral. State news. Now students can study in Telangana Sport News India to Honest 2023. Safe 7 seats in Bangalore. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Siddharth of grade 1 choral. Weather report. Minimum temperature 22 degrees, maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius versus Sunday. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Suguna of grade 1 Kola. International news. Indians own Mars homes among UK ethnic groups. National news. Embassy of India in Japan choreographs yoga session for army personnel. Thank you. Have a great day. Morning everyone. Today's traffic rules is brought to you by Vachika of grade 1 choral. Traffic rules. Red light, red light. What do you say? I say stop, stop, right away. Yellow light, what do you beat? I beat, wait, wait, till the light turns green. Green light, what do you say? I say go, go, right away. Thank you, have a fantastic day. Teachers, I will be good citizen of my country, good son of my parents, good friend of my friends, and good brother of my sisters and brothers. Thank you.
Thank you, friends and teachers. I promise that I'll be a good citizen of my country, good student of my school, good daughter of my parents, good sister of my sister, and good friend of my friends.
Be good son of my parents. I'll be good citizen of my country, good student of my school, and good brother of my brothers. Thank you.